bits of broken glass that wound the silence as they pass. You build a cage of heavy lead inside the labyrinth of your head. You try to drag the colors down and dress the spirit in a gown of cynicism, cold and tight. I turn my face toward the light. I bite my lip. I bite my lip to keep the ocean in the ship. It is the seal upon the door. I don't live there anymore. I taste the iron sharp and sweet and watch the silence conquer heat. A little pain to keep the grip. I bite my lip. I take a step into the blue, away from the distorting view. You offer me a poison wine and demand I say that it is fine. But I have built a glass facade between the dancer and the god. I watch your words dissolve in there like smoke that isn't really there. I bite my lip.